Forget everything you thought you knew about piranhas as mindless eating machines. While their legendary bite instills primal fear, the true marvel lies not in their aggression, but in their engineering. Hidden within the Amazon's depths is a biomechanical genius, a natural design so advanced it makes human technology look primitive. Today, we're exposing the piranha's self-sharpening jaws, a system of unparalleled precision cutting, continually maintained by nature's own innovation. Prepare to enter the world of nature's ultimate razor. The piranha's jaw is a symphony of evolved mechanics. Its teeth are not independent units. They are fused into a single, formidable blade within each jaw, forming an interlocking scissor-like mechanism. This unique design allows for incredibly efficient shearing. But what truly sets them apart is their polyphyodonty, the continuous conveyor belt-like replacement of entire tooth rows. Imagine losing a whole section of your dental plate, only for a brand new, razor-sharp set to emerge almost overnight. This constant renewal ensures their cutting efficiency never diminishes, all powered by dense, efficient jaw musculature that allows for that astonishing bite force. The real magic is in the self-sharpening. Unlike human tools that dull with use, the piranha's teeth are designed to become sharper with every bite. This is due to differential hardness. The outer layer of enamel on a piranha tooth is harder than the inner dentin. As the tooth cuts and wears, the softer dentin erodes slightly faster than the harder enamel, continuously exposing a fresh, razor-sharp edge. This same principle is seen in certain industrial blades, but nature perfected it millions of years ago without any need for external maintenance. It's a marvel of natural innovation, a perpetually sharp tool evolved for maximum predatory efficiency. The piranha's formidable jaws are not just for show. They are essential for its ecological role. Their precision cutting allows them to process prey incredibly efficiently, preventing waste. While often demonized, piranhas are critical to the Amazon's health. They act as scavengers, cleaning up carcasses and preventing the spread of disease. They also prey on weak or sick fish, helping to maintain healthy fish populations and ensuring the survival of the fittest. This relentless efficiency isn't just about survival, it's about balance. Without them, the intricate web of life in the Amazon would quickly unravel, demonstrating why this jaw design is crucial for their continued existence. The piranha's jaw is offering revolutionary insights for human technology. In 2026, biomimicry researchers are actively studying its structure to inspire new designs for medical scalpels, aiming for surgical tools that maintain their sharpness for longer, reducing tissue damage and improving patient outcomes. In industrial applications, the principle of differential hardness could lead to self-sharpening cutting blades, reducing maintenance costs and increasing efficiency in various manufacturing processes. The ongoing research into these incredible creatures promises breakthroughs in materials science, proving that some of the greatest innovations are waiting to be uncovered in the wildest corners of our planet. The piranha, a creature of legend, reveals itself as a master of biomechanical engineering. Its self-sharpening jaws are a testament to nature's relentless pursuit of efficiency and adaptation. As we continue our quest for better tools and smarter designs, the Amazon's depths remind us that the most elegant solutions are often found not in our labs, but in the astounding, relentless innovation of the natural world. We just need to look closer.